We've had some communications, and you know why I'm speaking to you right now. We're in wonderful expansion energy. So if you've been trapped in a life that is not working for you, and you're ready to admit this with no sense of failure, no judgment, no shame, no blame, and most of all, no fear, because fear is the operative engine for regret. Please come and join me. Let's get you on track to living your best life free and clear in a body that recognizes that we all got here through a moment of bliss. Whatever the circumstances may have been, we all got here in our bodies through a moment of bliss. So come and find out what your bliss birthright really is, how to access it, and how to expand it and use it for your best life, co-creating and collaborating with others who are awake and aware and ready to share peace and bliss and abundance. It's time.